Hello everyone, and welcome back again to a brand new video. Streamline your website's user experience by editing the navigation bar on your Squarespace sites. Today's video, we will guide you throughout organizing and customizing your navigation to make it user-friendly and aligned with your site's design. So guys, let's get started. Before we start with this video, make sure to watch it from now till the end so you can have the full experience. So, first of all guys, I will need you to go ahead and open one of your sites. So let's go to this one for me. And to actually edit the navigation bar, well, there is two meaning of basically adjusting it or editing it. The first one is basically by clicking on edit right here, and basically what you could do is click on it, click on the header, and hover on the navigation. Now this is how the editing works in this section. You can move it around a little bit depending on the spacing of the logo. So depending on a lot of things, you will be able to move this around. You can add here edit layout of the actual menu and make the navigation, for example, in the middle, in the bottom, depending on what you want exactly. So this is something that you could do. Like you can even move things around in here, but this is not something that's what we are looking for. In this video, we are looking for on how we can add pages, remove pages, add drop down, link things in the menu and stuff like that. So how can we edit that? Well, simply by either clicking here and click on this pen. That will be taking you to this area where you can see all the pages and you can move them around, which is basically shows you a bit of options. But the main option is basically by going right here into the website. You will find here pages. In this area, you will be able to actually edit the navigation menu and basically have multiple than one main menu. So let me show you how it works. First of all, if you look here about areas of practice, our team, blog, and contact us. If I went here about areas of practice, our team, blog, and contact us. So we have the same things here. So this is the main navigation. This is the thing that we are going to work with. Now let's get started. First of all, we have here these 5 options. First of all, we have to align the menu to be kind of like a guide for the visitor when he is first time landing on our page, knows what he is going to expect from the page. For example, if you're selling stuff, then there will be a shop. If you are a blog, then there will be, for example, categories of blogs that you have, for example, news, health, sports, etc. If you are just sharing stuff, then of course you have your own pages as well. So how can we edit these pages? Well, first of all, once you open a new website on Squarespace, well, obviously you will need to remove every single other page that they have that you will not need. You could keep contact us, but for the rest, mainly I would delete them. So let's go here. I'm gonna keep contact us and about, and I'm gonna delete the others. So click here, remove, remove, and remove. And as you can see, we only left with about and contact us. Now, as you can see here, we have not linked. These ones are basically the pages that are created, but not linked into the main navigation. For example, we have the home page. I'm gonna remove it from not linked and move it up to the home or to the main navigation so I can have it also here. Now, as you can see, we have changed the navigation bar. Let's add now pages to it. I'm gonna click on this plus button, and from here you will have several options. You will have pages which you can create. There is 3 types of pages. There is blank page, which is starting with a blank page, basically a page that doesn't contain anything. And there is page with layouts, which is a designer layout, which is a pre-made template for you that you can simply just use, pick and use. This is something that you will be sometimes very using or often using because it's very useful. It's really saves time for you to design stuff, and there is some decent designs that you can actually pick from them. And there is scheduling. This one, in case you're like a company that has booking appointments and classes, etc., well, you will need this space as well, so you can keep everything on track and basically lets your customers book themselves an appointments with you. There is also here the collections. There is blog, store, portfolio, events, videos, and courses. Blog is mainly for sharing stories, thoughts, and ideas, obviously. Store, if you had basically willing to sell product, digital product, physical books, etc., you'll be selling them through store. Portfolios just to present projects and visual work. Event to showcase upcoming events. Videos to create a full library of videos. And course, basically to create a series of courses and lessons. We have also more. We have member sites and drop down and link. So here I'm gonna choose drop down. Now the drop down, as you can see, we have to add stuff here. Now let's add another page and let's take blank page. I'm gonna name it simply news. I'm gonna name this one sports. Here's sports and health. This one I'm gonna change it to blogs. So something like that. Alright, this is just an example. So here we have made a drop-down list. For example, if you are a blogger, then you will have several type of things that you are talking about. There is the news, political, there is sports news, there is healthcare, there is a lot of things that you must talk about. In that case, there will be categories for each thing that you are posting. So each customer, or basically each visitor, will be going exactly to the page that interested him the most. For example, if a customer is interested in sports, he will not be going through blogs with multiple things that has multiple news that doesn't really concern him, like health and political news. He just wants to know what Cristiano Ronaldo is doing. So this is exactly what I'm trying to explain here. Now blogs is basically before home, which is something not pretty. So let's go here and simply click on it and drag it. So let's drag it here and perfect. So just like that, we have moved blogs and made it after home. And just like that, you can edit the options and basically make your navigation menu much more better and much functional. And yeah guys, that was it for today's video. If you did enjoy it, make sure to leave a like and to subscribe to our channel. If there is any more questions that you have or problems, make sure to leave them down below in the comment section. I'll try to answer all of your questions one by one. And see you guys in the next video.